So I've just gone to start recording in front of the ticket machine to kick this journey off. And yeah, a small queue started to form behind me, so I decided not to carry on recording. So here we are, first part of the journey for collecting my Morgan +6. I'm so excited. So I got a message from Dan yesterday asking me, did I want it covered, just in case I went for a nose this evening? And my answer was yes, get that bad boy covered. Fancy an unveiling tomorrow. So yeah, here we go. Ready for the off. So train, London, across to Paddington, and then jump on a train to Malvern. Yeah, overnight stay and then the car tomorrow. So great. Right, so I'm not doing this journey on my own. I am doing it with my partner in crime. I'm talking really quietly. Because I don't want to know that I'm going to put her in the video. Because yeah, she hates being in the video. So yeah, yep, off with me to Malvern. Look how exciting she is, and excited, reading a book. She's so calm. Here we go, babe. On your feet. Let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. Armoured G-class as well. We're doing up Marble Arch obviously because we're box round it. So next phase, yeah, on the train now to head off to Malvern. Well, I mean, we're not getting the car till tomorrow, but you know, journey off to the Mount Pleasant Hotel. Yeah, see what it's like.
Is a Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern.
Right, it's staying overnight, so into the Mount Pleasant Hotel, which is pleasant, but we picked a room with a view. Do you know what I think? I think possibly it was worth doing that because that's not a bad view. Pretty. So we have arrived in Malvern. Yeah, so staying at the Mount Pleasant Hotel, which is pleasant. Yeah, so Malvern Hills. I mean, it's a pretty enough place. I haven't, you know, I don't know. I've picked up a car here twice, done a couple of meetings, but I've never actually hung around. So we've done a little bit of shopping, a little bit of local shopping, see what's going on, because there's not a lot of there's an Ask Italian, I think it's the biggest chain. Oh, and W.H. Smith's, because they seem to still survive in the town of Malvern. Yeah. Anyway, a little bit of a mooch. Gonna go and get a drink, have some dinner, and then yeah, just waiting for the morning. Yeah, so these are the Malvern buzzards. The Malvern buzzards, which were created for Queen Elizabeth for her Diamond Jubilee. Yeah, buzzards and someone's jumper nestled in there as well. Well done, whoever did that. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Okay, so this is what you find next to all pubs, because that's normal. Obviously, because it's both those animals are Yeah. So I keep saying Shropshire Hills. It's is it Worcestershire? Like the sauce, like the sauce. What's a brand? Well, morning's broken. Morning has broken. So we are heading over in that direction later on. Because that's where Morgan Motor Company are. Just a little bit too far to walk. Although it's downhill. Yeah. Right, so we're here. We're here. I made the taxi drop us off outside the actual factory because I wanted to walk in. So this is where we are. So it's early-ish on a Saturday morning. It's quiet. It is quiet. My car is under the cover, but I'm not sure if it is. Oh, it is under cover. Yeah, my car's under a cover, so I can't see it anyway. But you can see the reflection from the window of a car outside, so it looks like it a little bit like it is. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to swap you around. Look, I can see the back of my head. Right, here we go. So yes, wetting myself just a little bit. Oh, it's very peaceful. It's never been this peaceful before. Are you hiding, Lou? Oh, I'm coming around there. Hide all you like. Look. Ta-da! So that will be my car under there, under that cover. But if you get the angle right, you can see the reflection of that car in it. Do. I do like the way the reflection's almost exactly in the right place. Very cool. Okay, they are. Seriously, Morgans are so pretty. You go. Alright, okay, so long and short of it, buying one of these brand new, especially if you buy a +6, you're spending Porsche money. You're easily. I mean, I spec mine up as far as buying what right now the equivalent Porsche would be a 911, Carrera 4S about 115. Admittedly, if you then do something with your Porsche, it will rocket the price a bit much higher than that. So I don't know, a basic 911. Okay, probably more easily a Boxster by the time you put everything else on it. But given the choice of what you could have, it's seriously, it's got to be a Morgan. Really. Anyway, I'm going to go because Dan's here.
Morning.
Morning.
I'd love to know, like, have you got an Apple Watch on? Look at his heart rate.
Seriously. But
Have you just looked underneath? No, you can't look underneath.
What are you doing?
Is he cheating?
I've been walking around that little bit of metal all the time. Every time the light changes. Count down.
Look. Can't see.
Sexy guys.
Needs to come outside with me, but anyway.
Go on, do it.
Do you want to slow down quick?
Do it. Go, just take the thing off. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it works. Doesn't it work?
Beautiful, isn't it?
That really works. I know. What are they getting on that? What does it look like, bro? Not good enough. Not good enough.
does change a lot of different colours when you see it in the light.
The colour is just something else.
It's a really rich colour. When you see it outside, it'll look quite a bit different. But in a lot of light, it just looks black.
Wow. The matte silver works out okay?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, really good. It's a nice contrast.
Because I did wonder whether the rose gold would have just been a bit warmer, but you know what, that is fine and dandy.
No, it looks lovely.
Right, okay, but just so you know, this car would not have been achieved without the man hiding the back there. Cheers, Dan. Thanks, mate. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Welcome. Yeah, the view from here. That's the view from me.
Well, looking at its arse.
Just look at it from this angle. Just sort of down here. I was looking at it for a little bit yesterday, thinking, yeah, that's.
Let's have a look then. So this is Dan's angle. Dan's angle.
Devil's angle. I think it's just the way you see, obviously from the sills up the wings, you get to see obviously the backs of the seats. I think that's its best angle, I think.
It's really orangey in this light. Oh, it's nice though. Look at that. So anybody at all doing anything on the configurator, I've got to tell you now, nothing that you do will ever do justice to exactly what you're going to get.
No.
It's just a hint of the beauty and the
The
craftsmanship.
configurator gives you a very rough idea.
It gives you a rough hint of what you might receive.
Doesn't even resemble what the car will look like.
This is really quite special. So good. Right, okay, so yeah, done a little wee, definitely. It's all been unveiled, and yeah, it's time to. I'm going to film this in its glass box because it's particularly special. Look how pretty Morgan have made it for me. That is my car. Right, okay, so Dan's now gone to make me tea, and I'm just videoing around this. The guys have done something special for me in terms of it being in here, and everything else is one thing, but the other thing is just look at that. Seriously, it's so good. When I consider this in relation to picking up my 911, I mean, that was something special, but this is my car, my spec. Yeah. It is, yeah, it's awesome. Lou's still keeping out of the way, look at it. Right, gonna have to get this car out and get it on the road. time.